Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to blur video in Capcut. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Capcut app. Just wait few seconds.
Order food you love with Food Panda. Download the app and order now.
Continue to app. Tap on edit option. Then click on new project. Select videos. Okay. Then add. Okay. Click on effects. Then tap on video effects. Search on blur. Blur search. Okay, then show all blur effect, then choose someone. Okay, then add this blur effect. This video is clear and this blur. That's normal. That's all. Just click export this video, save it your photos gallery. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.